Hi pilots, welcome to my YouTube channel MICHALIS FPV. Today we have an unboxing. Not a drone, but a camera. The Dji Osmo Pocket 4P Vlog Combo. It's a camera that I wanted to have it for a long time. Already 1 month it's released in many countries in Asia, and from the 31st of July it's released in Europe and many other countries. So the prices that you can find is the standard combo that is 619 euros and the vlog combo that has more accessories that is cost 709 euros. Now I don't know in dollars, but probably if you search in the internet you're gonna find the prices. So this camera I bought it with my own money, so I'm not sponsored from DJI, and you're gonna have my honest opinion about this camera. Why I decided to buy this camera? First, because all my videos that I did for my YouTube channel MICHALIS FPV, I did it with the Pocket 3 and I was really very satisfied. So I decided to update it and to go for the Pocket 4P because it has two cameras. One is telezoom, actually is 3 times optical zoom, 60mm. The quality is fantastic, and the quality of the video of the 1-inch sensor of the 20mm, as they say, it's 17 stops of dynamic range in D-Log 2. And the other reason is because we have slow motion at 4K with 240 frames per second. So let's start to do the unboxing of this camera to see the accessories that exist inside. So we open. I think it's better that I put out all the accessories and then we're gonna see it one by one. So usually we can find the DJI papers, they have some stickers, they have a quick start guide, and we have also a part code to download the DJI Mimo application that is very important to register and to activate your camera. Let's see what we have here. So we have the DJI pouch. This is where you can store your camera. This is not the best. It doesn't come with any like plastic protective housing as we had in the Pocket 3. But anyway, it's one way to protect your camera. So let's open the other bag. So this is like the bag that we had from the Pocket 3. Probably it's a little bit bigger and must have a lot of accessories inside. So I'm remove all the accessories and then we're gonna check them one by one. As you see, my God, there are many, and also it's here and the camera. So let's open this one. So first I see here we have a USB-C cable. That this one it's important to charge the frame tab. The frame tab is this control to control from distance, you know, your camera. Let's open this one. So here we have a USB-C cable. This one is to charge your Pocket 4P. So we have this mini tripod as we had it in the Pocket 3. That is really very practical to put somewhere your camera and to stay very good. So let's open this. Okay, here we have a wrist strap. This is very important to put it in your camera, to don't fall down. You know, you can wear it like this, and if it fell from your hands, it's gonna keep it. Very, very important. And as I see, we have probably a second one. So let's open this. It's another cable. And we have this cable. This cable is USB-C to charge your wireless microphone. The Mini 2 is this one. I will open later. This is very important. Don't lose it because you cannot charge after this. Yeah, very important. And this one, let's see. This one is the fill light. This fill light is really very good because it's going to the back side of your camera and it's very nice, you know, for night shots, if you want to show your face or the face of someone else that you take an interview. Very, very useful. We didn't have it in the Pocket 3. I love it. Very, very, very nice. This one is the wireless microphone that we have, the Mini 2. Beautiful, wireless, very good quality. From far away you can speak. Just to show you, it's charging on this way probably. Yes, on this way, look. So you're gonna put it here and it will charge your wireless microphone. Very beautiful, very practical. This is the extension base of the Pocket 4P. Is very similar with the Pocket 3, the expansion base. This is very good because you can put here to charge you know, your camera, and from this way you can put your mini tripod and to keep stable the camera. Very useful. Unfortunately, we don't have the second base that is a battery to charge the camera. That one, it will be extra. They had it in the Pocket 3, but now it's not included. As is not included ND filters and some other accessories that we had it in the Pocket 3. This one is the wind muff. This is very useful. I think that put it here on the microphone. Yes. So this is very useful because with the mini muff, when you put it on your microphone, you don't gonna have the wind sound that is cover your voice, and it will be really very clear, very, very useful to protect from the wind sound. And let's see what we have here. Again, this is accessories for the microphone. This is the magnetic clip. And this one, this is, you can put it inside from your clothes so it will stay, you know, the microphone. And this one also, it's very useful. The magnetic clip is going like this, so you can put it inside to your shirt and to keep the microphone in any position you want. Or if you don't want to use the magnetic field, you can use this one. Yeah, you can use it this one, and you can put it out from your shirt. And this one, let's open it to see what it is. Okay, this is just if you want to change the color of your wireless microphone, you can put this one. It's the frame thumb. So this one is the frame thumb. This is a controller, a remote controller that has a small screen here, and you can see whatever you see from the camera, and you can control it from the distance, the direction of the camera, and all the settings. Is not yet very perfect, as they say, but let's hope with the future updates to improve a lot of this control. So, and now let's go to the camera. Let's unboxing from this plastic bag the Dji Osmo Pocket 4P. Beautiful, oh my god, very, very nice. We can see some stickers here to protect the lens. Also here some stickers to protect the screen of the camera, and here's some other protections. Let's remove. Okay, this is already removed, I don't know why. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the Pocket 4P. It's more heavy from the Pocket 3. Really very beautiful. I like very much the quality. Has actually battery. Let's open it. That's a battery. Oh, look. Oh my god. It's so cute. Okay, I need time for to learn how to work with this camera. Let's close it. Yes. Oh, and it's coming to the right position. So the only thing that I have to do is to go to test it, and maybe I will share my opinion. No, for sure I will share my opinion about this camera. So, pilots, thank you very much for watching this video. The unboxing of the Dji Osmo Pocket 4P. Okay, we didn't have any drone to unbox, but you know, I use very much these cameras for my YouTube channel, and also it will be very practical for me if I want to travel, to have a small compact camera like this one with a gimbal, and to have a fantastic quality, and of course to have an optical zoom that is 3 times 60 millimeters with very, very good quality. And yeah, I'm happy to have it in my hands. So the only thing that I need now is to dedicate some time to learn how it's work, this camera. So my pilots, thank you very much for watching one more video from my channel MICHALIS FPV. I wish you to be everybody happy and healthy, and to have happy and safe flights as always. So MICHALIS FPV from the beautiful island of Samos, I salute you and thank you very much for your time to watch this unboxing. See you, my friends. Bye bye.